Welcome to KUNOMAIL. Greeting cards are a wonderful way to send personal messages and celebrate special occasions. KUNOMAIL offers an easy way to insert images into your greeting cards to make them even more appealing and individual. In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to integrate images into your KUNOMAIL greeting cards. Here you can see an example of what a finished greeting card looks like in KUNOMAIL. The enlarged view of a greeting card allows you to see the details better and take a closer look at the design and image integration. To create a new greeting card, select the option to create a new greeting card or open an existing one. In the top right menu, you will find the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab to open the image options. Now click on the Local Image button to insert an image into your greeting card. Alternatively, you can also insert images from the KUNOMAIL image gallery. Adjust image size. A dialog box for image sizes will now appear. The image size does not need to be adjusted. Simply confirm the dialog box with Next, as the images will be automatically inserted into the picture frame. Choose picture frame or email text. In the next dialog, you can choose whether the image should be inserted into the picture frame or directly into the email text. Select the desired option to continue. Once the image has been successfully inserted and the email text has been written, review everything to make sure it is to your satisfaction. If you are happy with the result, you can now send the email. The next step is to show the email preview. Here you have the opportunity to check the greeting card one last time before sending it. Make sure everything meets your expectations before clicking Send. This video shows you in detail how to create and send a greeting card in KUNOMAIL. All individual steps are explained step by step so that you can easily follow the entire process. Watch the video carefully to learn all the details from designing the card to personalizing it and sending it. This will ensure that you are ultimately able to create and send greeting cards in KUNOMAIL on your own. Thank you for your valued attention. Inserting images in KUNOMAIL greeting cards is easy and allows you to personalize your messages. Use this feature to make your greeting cards more lively and memorable. If you have any questions or need support, don't hesitate to ask. Please feel free to contact KUNOMAIL support. Have fun creating your next KUNOMAIL greeting card.